You know how sometimes you wake up and you just feel that tickle in your throat or that little heaviness in your head? It's like your body is sending you a memo saying, "Hey, something's off." Dee. We've all been there, right? And in those moments, the first thing that comes to mind is, what can I do to boost my immunity? Well, let's dive into the world of food that can help us fight off those pesky germs and keep us feeling our best. First off, let's talk about the superstar of the immune-boosting world, citrus fruits. You know, those vibrant oranges, tangy grapefruits, and zesty lemons. They're packed with vitamin C, which is like a little shield for your immune system. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Just think about it. When you're feeling under the weather, what's the first thing you reach for? A glass of orange juice, right? It's not just a cliche, it's actually a smart move. So, next time you're at the grocery store, load up on those citrus beauties. And if you want to get fancy, squeeze some lemon in your water or toss some grapefruit into your morning smoothie. Your immune system will thank you. Now, let's not forget about garlic. Oh, garlic. The magical aromatic bulb that can transform any dish into a flavor explosion. But did you know it's also a powerful immune booster? Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to enhance the immune response. It's like a secret weapon against colds and flu. You can chop it up and toss it into stir-fries, roast it with vegetables, or even blend it into a delicious garlic sauce. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you could try eating it raw. I know, it's not for everyone, but if you can handle it, the benefits are worth it. Next up, we have ginger. This spicy root is not only great for soothing an upset stomach, but also for giving your immune system a little kick in the pants. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help fend off infections. You can steep it in hot water for a soothing tea, blend it into smoothies, or even grate it into your stir-fry. The warmth of ginger is like a cozy hug for your insides, and it can really help when you're feeling a bit run down. Plus, it adds a nice zing to your meals. And let's not overlook the power of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens. These veggies are like the superheroes of the plant world. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to keep your immune system in tip-top shape. Toss some spinach into your morning smoothie, make a kale salad for lunch, or sauté some collard greens as a side dish for dinner. The more greens you can incorporate into your diet, the better. Now, if you're a fan of nuts and seeds, you're in luck. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, they're all packed with vitamin E, which is another key player in immune health. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body fight off infections. Just a handful of nuts or seeds as a snack can do wonders for your immune system. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt, toss them into your salads, or just enjoy them on their own. They're not just tasty, they're also a great way to give your body a little extra love. Let's not forget about yogurt. This creamy delight is not only a delicious breakfast option, but also a fantastic source of probiotics. Probiotics are those good bacteria that help keep your gut healthy, and a healthy gut is essential for a strong immune system. When your gut is balanced, it can better fight off harmful pathogens. Look for yogurt with live and active cultures, and don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. Add some fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or even a sprinkle of granola for a tasty treat that's also good for you. Now, if you're looking for something a bit heartier, let's talk about chicken soup. There's a reason your mom always made it for you when you were sick. Chicken soup is not just comfort food. It's also a great source of nutrients that can help boost your immune system. The broth is hydrating, and the chicken provides protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. Plus, if you throw in some veggies like carrots, celery, and garlic, you're packing in even more immune-boosting goodness. So the next time you're feeling under the weather, don't underestimate the power of a warm bowl of chicken soup. And finally, let's talk about hydration. Water is often overlooked, but staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including your immune system. When you're properly hydrated, your body can function optimally, and that includes fighting off illness. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and if you want to spice it up a bit, try infusing it with fruits or herbs. A little cucumber and mint, or some berries and basil. Trust me, it makes drinking water a lot more fun. So, there you have it. A rundown of some amazing foods that can help boost your immunity. Incorporating these into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Start small. Maybe add 1 or 2 of these immune-boosting foods into your meals each week and see how you feel. Remember, it's all about balance and making choices that nourish your body. Here's to good health and feeling our best.